Hello, welcome back. And your business is growing and you want to start making orders in a formal way. So how can you can you be able to issue out local purchase orders to your suppliers? Like you need some goods to be to be ordered. So how can you make a list, an official list? Get that document and send it to the supplier, and the supplier looks at the document carefully, gets the goods and sends them to you without making any mix-ups. Instead of when because when you just call, hey, I need A, B, C, D, you probably are going to forget some things. So you can be able to issue out local purchase orders. And in this video, that's what I'll be showing you, how to issue local purchase orders directly from the residence POS. So let's get into it right now. So I'm going to log in into my system or into my account. So if you don't know yet how to log in and how to get an employee code, there is a video for that. Just go to our YouTube channel and you'll get that video directly from there. So let me go ahead and log in. Okay, I'm already logged in. So to navigate to creating LPOs for your order, for goods that you want to order, so just go to inventory, just look for inventory on the sidebar menu, just look for inventory and then go to create LPO, right? Create LPO. And then I'll just open it. It's going to ask me for my access code. Let me enter my access code. Okay, there you go. So I'm already in. So do I have, so which supplier do I want to, which supplier do I want to make these orders from? So based on the previous suppliers that I've had, I've entered on my invoices, I've purchased goods from, I'll get a drop down list from, okay, for all of those suppliers. So this makes it also autonomous in a way that if you're not in the business, if you're not in the premises, if you're the business owner and you're not the one who is kind of uh, knows all the suppliers, anyone who you delegate to can be able to make an order directly from here, and you can also be able to see what was ordered. All right, so let's go ahead and just select maybe the first one, Medi Specialty, and then the products. We can just come here and say, so the products we want to order right now. We want to order, say, IFAS, and we want to order IFAS. Let's say 150 pieces. Let's add another one. Say maybe it's Epimax. Should we order? Yeah, let's even say it's Epimax. And we want to order how many Epimax? Say we want to order 20 Epimax. Let's go ahead and add another one. We can add maybe lifeguards. Lifeguards of a Tillion full pack, right? Let's go ahead and also order 20 of them. Let's go ahead and add maybe some other product that we wanted to add. Say we are also making an order for Kaluma lozenges. This one, let's say we want to order 200 pieces. Let's add another one. What else do we want to order? What's on the list, or what's out of stock? So let's say maybe trust condoms studded, right? And these ones we want, they usually come full box sets, 24 pieces. So let's say we want 2 boxes of 40. So that's 40 pieces, right? And let's save the LPO and see what happens. All right, your LPO, oh yeah, LPO has been created and has been downloaded, as you can see here. An LPO, a PDF was downloaded, and also I can be able to see the records for the LPOs that I've created. So let's open this PDF and see what's on our list. So actually, yeah, you can see I have a document here that I can send to my supplier, and my supplier can send me these goods because they clearly indicate what product do I want and how much do I how many do I want. They're now the supplier will send me an invoice of those products so that I know how much I'm supposed to pay. And that's how you create an LPO. Yes, and as you can see here, these are now the LPO records, right? These are the LPO records. So in case you want to come back here from, say, okay, because as you've seen, once we create an LPO, it just redirects us to here and it downloads us that current LPO. So if you want to see if you want to come back here from your store, let's say, let me go back and just direct you very well. So from here, this is now the storefront where we make sales. So when you're logging, it's going to bring, the system is going to bring you here. So you want to navigate to where the LPOs are. Again, just go to inventory and then look for LPO records. All right. So let's open that and let's enter our encryption code. Okay, so here we are. We can be able to see the LPOs that we have generated, and say maybe the supplier says, "Oh, you ordered this," but we are saying we did not. You ordered, we did not. So we can always come back here on our records, open it. Let's open that LPO, and it tells us exactly what did we order and the document that we sent. We can even re-download it again and send it to them, send it back to them again, because it has the dates that it also has the dates that the LPO was generated. Yeah, the dates and the time that the products and the supplier. So that's how you create an LPO and go to your LPO records. So I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you can still continue using the residence POS. So cheers and see you on the next one.